Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see exercise 4.3 third question. The question is x dy by dx is equals to minus y is equals to root of x square plus y square. Let us solve by using the method. So dy by dx is equals to x dy by dx is equals to root of x square plus y square plus y. So dy by dx is equals to root of x square plus y square plus y divided by x. Now let y is equals to vx, then dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. If I substitute in place of this, it will become v plus x dv by dx is equals to root of x square plus v square x square plus vx divided by x. Now v plus x dv by dx is equals to, here we can take x square common. If it comes outside, it will become x. So the left terms are 1 plus v square. So here also plus v, but because x downside x and it will get cancelled. So plus v is there. If I transpose that side, it will become minus v. That is dv by dx is equals to root of 1 plus v square plus v minus v gets cancelled. So x dv by dx is equals to root of 1 plus v square dv by root of 1 plus v square is equals to dx by x. Now we got in the form of variable separable method. Now let us apply integration on both sides. So if I apply integration on both sides, apply integration on both sides. If I apply integration on both sides, it will become integral dv by root of 1 plus v square is equals to integral dx by x. So we know that integral of 1 by root will be log x plus root of 1 plus v square is equals to log x plus c. So it is a formula to be remembered. One integral of 1 by root of 1 plus x square can be written as log of x plus root of 1 plus x square. So log v plus root of 1 plus v square is equals to log x. Since it is a constant, we can write it as log c. So log a plus log b can be written as log ab, which is log cx. Here it will be log of v plus root of 1 plus v square. So log gets cancelled. So the remaining terms v plus root of 1 plus v square is equals to cx. So now replace v by y by x. So it will become y by x plus root of y by x whole square is equals to cx. So y by x plus it will become root of x square plus y square by x square cx. So if I remove that, it will become y by x plus root of x square plus y square by x is equals to c. So since the denominator is x, so y plus root of x square plus y square is equals to c x square. So this is the final answer. Next, let us see the fourth question. dy by dx is equals to 3x minus 2y by 2x minus 3y. So directly it is given in the format. So answer, let y is equals to vx. So if I do differentiation on both sides, it will become dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. So let me substitute this in this. It will become v plus x dv by dx is equals to 3x minus 2vx divided by 2x minus 3vx. So I can take x in numerator common. dv by dx is equals to, if I take x common, it will be 3 minus 2v divided by x if I take common 2 minus 3v. So x gets cancelled. So it is v plus x dv by dx is equals to, the left terms we will write 3 minus 2v divided by 2 minus 3v. So if I transpose x to v to that side, x into dv by dx 3 minus 2v by 2 minus 3v minus v. So x dv by dx is equals to, so 2 minus 3v is the LCM. Here 3 minus 2v minus 2v plus 3v square. So that can be written as 3v square minus 4v plus 3 divided by 2 minus 3v. X dv by dx. So if I transpose to this side, it will be interchanged. That is 2 minus 3v by 3v square minus 4v plus 3 dv is equals to dx by x. Now, here 3 to the 6, 6v should be there, but here 3v is there and here 4. So, let me multiply by 2. So, multiply and divide by 2. So, it will become 2 to the 4 minus 6v divided by 3v square minus 4v plus 3v dv is equals to dx by x. Now here 6v is the plus 6v, here minus 4, so alternate symbols are there. Let me take minus common. If I take minus common, it will become 6v minus 4 by 3v square minus 4v plus 3 dv is equals to dx by x. Next. Here apply integration on both sides now. Minus 1 by 2 integral 6v minus 4 by 3v square minus 4v plus 3 dv is equals to integral dx by x. So minus 1 by 2 log, because it is a f dash of x by f of x. So log, we can use log 3v square minus 4v plus 3 is equals to log x plus c. So this can be written as log 3v square minus 4v plus 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2 is equals to log cx. So log gets cancelled. So 3v square minus 4v plus 3 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 is equals to cx. Now let me replace v by y by x. So if you replace v by y by x, then it will change to 3 into y by x whole square minus 4 into y by x plus 3 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 is equal to cx. So it will be 3y square minus 4y plus 3 whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 is equal to cx. So x square is the LCM here, whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 cx. So it will be changed to 3y square minus 4xy plus 3x square. So numerator it will become 3 root of 3y square minus 4xy plus 3x square by x square whole to the power of minus 1 is equal to cx. So since it is negative power, if I reciprocal it will become positive power. So if I remove the root here, x by root of 3y square minus 4xy plus 3x square is equal to cx. X gets cancelled. So 1 by root of 3y square minus 4xy plus 3x square is equal to C will be the required solution. Next, let us see the fifth question. So here the question is y square minus 2xy dx is equals to x square minus 2xy dy. So we have to make it in the format of dy by dx. So let us start. So so dy by dx is equals to dy by dx is equals to y square minus 2xy by x square minus 2xy. Now let us let y is equals to vx. Let us substitute y is equals to vx. Then dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. So let me replace in this. So it can be written as v plus x dv by dx is equals to y square, y means vx, right? V square x square minus 2x vx divided by x square minus 2x vx. Now v plus x dv by dx is equals to, we can take x square common in the numerator. We are left with v square minus 2v divided by, in the denominator also we can take x square common, 1 minus 2v. X square gets cancelled. So v plus x dv by dx is equals to v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v. So let me transpose v to other side. So x dv by dx is equals to v square minus 2v by 1 minus 2v minus v. So LCM we have to take now. If we are taking the LCM, x dv by dx is equals to 1 minus 2v is the LCM. So v square minus 2v minus v plus 2v square. So x dv by dx is equals to 3v square minus 3v divided by 1 minus 2v. So now let me transpose this side. So 1 minus 2v by 3v square minus 3v dv is equals to dx by x. Now we can apply variable separable method. So apply integration on both sides. Apply integration on both sides. So if you are applying integration on both sides, integral 1 minus 2v by 3v square minus 3v dv is equals to integral dx by x. So let me multiply by 3 in the numerator and divide by 3. So it will become 6, 3 minus 6v divided by 3v square minus 3v dv is equals to integral dx by x. So, but 3 to the 6, 6 it is plus 6. So let me change, take minus common. So minus 1 by 3 is equals to 6v minus 3 by 3v square minus 3v dv is equals to integral dx by x. Now it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x integral. So we can use the formula 1 by 3 log mod f of x is equals to log x plus arbitrary constant c. So previous to this step, we will transpose this 3 to the other side, minus 1 by 3. So totally it will become 6v by 3 by 3v square minus 3v is equals to 3 minus 3 integral dx by x. Now let us write. Log of 3v square minus 3v is equals to minus 3 log x plus c. So I can write it as log c. So log of 3v square minus 3v is equals to log x to the power of minus 3 plus log c. So log of 3v square minus 3v is equals to log c by x cube. So log gets cancelled. So we are left with 3v square minus 3v is equals to c by x cube. Now we have to replace v by y by x. Now if I am replacing v by y by x, then it will change as 3 into y by x whole square minus 3 into y by x is equals to c by x cube. So 3y square by x square minus 3y by x is equals to c by x cube. So the denominator is x square. So 3y square minus 3xy divided by c by x cube. X square cube cancel. So the final equation will be x into 3y square minus 3xy is equals to c.